Sometimes for this life, sometimes just leave some things like salad. You get, say when they chop rice and salad, like coleslaw, they do rice. Sometimes if you don't want to chop the salad, you could just leave the salad
by the side. Yeah.
So when you deal with person and the vibe they go well, you understand. If you can't, they ask, say, what be the name of this vibe? You don't they touch the salad now. For free the salad.
You know one define them. You shall know. I say, why would they fear commitment? You guys.
Don't be say they fear commitments. You just be say sometimes, there's the Bible says there's a time for everything,
Okay.
So there's a time to sow, a time to reap.
So at that point, a time to vibe.
Yeah, I feel there's a time to vibe, a time to, stay with someone forever. So for me, as I make music based on the season of my life.
Okay.
So if I did on the vibing season,
no ask me what are we.
No ask me what are we. I will tell you we are what we are. But sometimes I'm on the love phase. I want to be in love, and I think love is a beautiful thing. It's one of the most powerful forces in humanity. Like the thing we love it do get part two.
So you feel so you don't date that phase of wanting to be in love now?
Yeah, so I want to be in love